Hello everyone, MetahumanBSRiger recently made an update and added PSD shaping. Let's demonstrate this function. First we find the blend shape directory. Note that the number of blend shape is 270. Then we click import to import these blend shape. This import will take about 30 seconds. Okay, after the import is completed here, let's switch the perspective. Come to the front view of the character. For more convenient observation, we open wireframe and then we import GUI panel. After the import is completed, at this time we can. Under the data of object, we can see that the blend shape we just imported has not yet established a training interface. Then we can also see that there is no PSD related content here. Let's pull the controller with our eyes closed at this time. Then pull down the controller that looks down. At this time, you will find that the deformation of the eyes is incorrect. This reason is caused by the lack of PSD correction. We open our mouths as wide as possible. Then I pulled the jaw open extreme controller and there was no response. These are all caused by the lack of PSD. At this time, we click Enable PSD. Then click Build Active Object BSRig. At this time, the plugin can help us. Build a rig with PSD. Add the PSD information to this RIG. The problem just now will be fixed. This construction process may take a little longer. It will take you 1 minute. Just wait patiently here. Okay, after the construction is completed, we will find that there is already PSD information in shape key at this time. We see PSD 269 to PSD 800+. This information exists to correct several blend shapes having values at the same time. At this time we will discover the problem that just occurred. No more. Pulling the jaw open extreme controller also responds. Okay, now we are importing a test animation to take a look at. This test animation was previously exported from the official instance data of the official controller. Importing animations also takes a while, depending on the length of the animation. Okay, now our animation has been imported and we can play it frame by frame. At this time we can see here. The animation effect can almost be restored. Official UE animation effects. Due to the existence of PSD shaping, many expression combinations without blend shape will trigger corresponding PSD correction expressions to correct the shape of their combination. If you want to know more about PSD, you can download the plugin. Then go to a PSD-mh4 info.json of the plugin. View in the file. Later in the video I will show you where to find this file. We open the downloaded plugin. Then after unzipping it, you will get a folder. Then open this folder and find PSD-mh4 info.json. There is PSD related information in the file. You can view the combined expressions and corresponding PSD here. Okay, the tutorial ends here.